beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. I appreciate your support. How are you guys holding up during this whole quarantine time? I've still been quarantining, if that's a word. Quarantining? If you're staying home, leave some comments below and let me know what things are keeping you busy, what projects you're working on, if you're doing a lot of shopping. Listen, the stuff that I got, it was like important. You know, you run low on stuff and you need to replenish things. Like, there's nothing wrong with that, right? Yeah, I'm just still not comfortable going out and about like normal, and that's okay. I mean, I just want to keep myself safe, keep my family safe. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. There's a lot of uncertainty with COVID-19 and we still don't have a vaccine for it, so it's just one of those things that you should just do what's comfortable for you, you know? Just let me know in the comments below what you've been up to, what projects you've been working on, if you've been doing more artsy stuff or more cleaning and organizing like moi, or a mixture of both. Send me some ideas in the comments below. I'd love to do some stuff with you, but separate, if that makes sense. Yeah. So in keeping busy and cleaning and organizing and all that, I wanted to change out the SCENTSY pot scents. That was a mess. It was my first time doing it, and I was like, yeah, there's gotta be a better way. I found a better way, and I tried it, and I love it, and I'm sharing it with you today. Yes, I am. I got a package. I'm so excited. I'm gonna share what's in here with you guys. You have no idea how much I love Ulta. I love the fact that you earn points and then you get all these rewards. I've even stopped buying stuff like razors and body wash at other places just because I know I can get the points at Ulta, and then I can redeem the points for money and get things cheaper, you know? Smart shopping. So here's a little mini haul from Ulta. I got the Vitamin C Shea Sugar Scrub. Shea Sugar Scrub. Say that 3 times. Shea Sugar Scrub. There you go. Ooh. Uh-oh. Cannot lose any of this. It smells so good. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Look at that. I wish like the aroma could go through the camera. It smells so good. Oh man, I can't wait to use that. Made with shea butter, vitamin C, and alpha hydroxy acid. Reveals brighter looking skin. Yep, it's no secret that vitamin C helps brighten up your skin. It's so good for you. I can't wait to try this. And then I needed a new body wash, so I figured I would try this one also. It's the Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Body Wash. I have the Epsom salt for bubble baths and stuff, which I love. Let me see if I can smell it. I love scents. Ooh. Alrighty then, that's one way to... I feel replenished already. I feel like this is the Barney bag. Who else watched Barney when they were little? I'm guilty, but you know the Barney bag where they just kept pulling stuff out of it? That's what I feel like right now. Oh yes. I'm so excited. I wanted to try some of Jessica Alba's Honest Beauty products. I have the beauty mask, the berry one. I have that one. It smells so good. And it really does brighten up your skin. Like, I love that one. That's a good one. And it smells so good. I think I said that already, but I need to emphasize how good it smells because it really does smell good. I got the Everything Primer. It's a matte primer. I remember like I didn't really use primers in the beginning, but I also didn't really know much about makeup and skin when I first started using it, so. But now, okay, I guess this is Michelle proof because I can't open it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And you just put a little bit all over your face underneath your foundation. It just helps. It helps with keeping the makeup from going into your pores, which can clog your pores and create a breakout. Oh wow, it has bamboo powder and it's oil free. See, that's really good because it'll help control the shine without drying your skin. Okay, Jessica Alba. Just think of it as a way to set your face, set it up for success, right? You put it underneath your foundation, and Once you put the primer, you're able to then apply everything on top, and it's like a smooth, flat surface, basically. I cannot wait to try that. I got the Magic Gel to Milk Cleanser. Here we go again. This is what it looks like, first of all. Use it on wet or dry skin. It's for difficult makeup removal. And the gel's gonna turn into milk, basically. And you just rinse it with warm water. I'm excited to try that too. Oh yes, I'm excited for this one, the Hydrogel Cream. I think what I love most about the products that I chose is I did some research and I looked into the ingredients, and they're all made with really good ingredients. So I'm trying to be more conscious of that, because I just feel like the secret to keeping your skin looking fresh is to just start now. Okay, so here's the Hydrogel Cream, and it helps burst the water, which will hydrate your skin. See? The key to everything, guys, is hydration. Yes, hydration is so important. And I also got the Honest Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Wow, it's a very fine point. I'm super excited to try this. And I got the Too Faced Mascara. I just really love the wand on this mascara. It's like an hourglass shape. See, it's like, it just makes your lashes super full and they look really voluminous, which I love. So I needed new foundation. I was running low. And I've used Tarte before. I really do like their foundation, but this time I got the Clay Stick foundation. I've never used that before, but this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like a lipstick tube. Oh wow, that rubs in really nice. Can't even tell it's there. I'm so excited to try this for the first time. Honestly, I wasn't even sure if I got the right shade. I got the light, medium, neutral one. I figured if it was too light, I could just use it for, you know, highlighting those areas. Or if it was too dark, I could just use it to contour. So I knew either way it would work out. Last but not least, drum roll please. So I have the Red Carpet Manicure LED Gel Kit. So it comes with the whole kit to do a full gel manicure at home. And I love it, especially during this time. Since the nail salons were closed, I didn't miss a beat. But the kit that I got, it only came with like a ballet pink color, which was awesome that it came with a color. But this time I decided to get color 2090. Aesthetic is Everything. That's the name of the color. And then I got color 330. It's called Manny Goals. It's a nude color. So I got these two, like a nude and kind of like a burgundy. So some days I can be bold and some days I can just keep it quiet but cute, you know? That is my entire Ulta purchase. And what was so amazing is like I've accumulated so many points from different promotions. Like sometimes they have like the 5 times points if you spend $75. And so I had enough points that I took $25 off of this order, which was incredible. Your points always come in handy. Talk about a big tangent. I didn't think my package was coming today. It was supposed to come Tuesday. So, I mean, I'm really excited that it came today. But I wanted to share that with you guys. And then let's get to the cleaning portion of this video.
I am here to share with you the tactic that I learned how to clean my SCENTSY pot in
15 minutes with no mess. That's the key, no mess. So I'll show you how. So when your scent has run out and you're all ready to change it up, the first thing you need to do is turn it on for 10 minutes. It'll quickly loosen it up, but it won't be too hot for you to touch it yourself. And it literally comes off in one piece, like that. So now make sure to turn it off before you continue cleaning it. And all you'll need is a damp paper towel to just continue soaking everything up. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is my favorite scent, Pure Linen. You literally put it in and the whole house smells so clean. So clean. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new today. If you did, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know how this helped you. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to keep you on my YouTube journey. Have a great week, you guys. I'll see you next Sunday.